It is bright and early, and today is the day we are redoing Jolie's room.
Hi, my name is Jolie. My age is 12 years old. I'm Kalista's sister. What kind of room do I want? I want a room with like plants and very colorful, but a little bit of like blue in it. I don't really know.
I went to Chick-fil-A this morning and I got what they call the breakfast of champs. Let's get to work, y'all. Yeah! Gonna walk up the stairs now. Kind of anticlimactic. I walk in and my immediate first thought is that this is already just so overwhelming. I definitely forgot how much I bought. And I was really worried that I wasn't gonna have enough stuff for her room. I've been collecting for like 2 months now. I've known that I was gonna redo her room. I just kind of forgot how much I ordered because like half of it was at my parents' house. And I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff. We definitely have a couple of things for her room. Now it's time to get all this stuff to Jolie's room. So I just got all the packages in here, so let's start decorating. Also, the chair broke as I was bringing it in, so I gotta figure out how to put that together now, so that's fun. So this is what we are working with. This is Jolie's room. It's pretty plain. She doesn't really have a theme going on. It's got a lot of blue, which she mentioned she did want a lot of blue in her new room. She doesn't really have proper storage, but this is what we were working with. Y'all, everything in this room is covered in slime. Like, look at this stuff. Literally, slime all over her bed comforter. Slime. Her entire nightstand is covered in slime. Like that, I'm pretty sure is slime, all right? The first thing I wanted to start with was the actual bed area. I wanted to start with the bed because I figured if I got that all together, then I'd be able to make the room overall more cohesive, since like that's kind of like, you know, the main area of the room. Here's the thing, as I was putting the bed together, I realized I didn't order enough throw pillows. I was stressed, okay? I ordered these 2 pillows that are like matching, just in different colors, but this one looks so different than it looked online. I'd say it's like a red purplish color, like almost a maroon, which really doesn't go with the vibe that I'm going for. Like, I really don't think it matches the color scheme. I'm gonna see if I can somehow make this work, and see like once everything's together if it's gonna match, but this kind of stings. You can never have enough throw pillows. I was like, if there's not enough throw pillows on this bed, it's not gonna look right. It's gonna look like something's missing. A lot of this stuff I haven't seen yet in person, so I open up the box and the throw pillow is like a completely different color than I expected. So at this point I was kind of freaking out, but the one thing I didn't know was I was not using that throw pillow because it didn't go with the vibe of the room. So I took one of her old pillows from her bed set that she was using previously, and I like used one of those. My question is, how do you get slime off of furniture? Like, this stuff is so hard. It's literally attached to it. Oh, I tried. I kept scrubbing. Like, my hand hurt. It was a workout, and I could not get this slime off. It was like glued to the nightstand. I think that this is the best we're gonna get. I tried scrubbing it down, but that's all I got. So as I started decorating the nightstand, I realized that I thought it would make a lot more sense on the other side of the room. So I decided to move it over, which was a little bit of a process, but I moved it. And then also, y'all, can we just, like, really? So now that we have the bed and the nightstand decorated, it is time to decorate the walls. So I bought a ton of posters. Like, I forgot how many I bought. So it's time to arrange the posters. So I decided to put like 3 over the bed, and I just got like all of these like really fun, quirky, bright posters to put all over her room that I thought, like, you know, would look cute for a teenager. I find that posters are a great way to express yourself and your interests in your room, especially they're great for teenagers. And the ones that I got, they were all from like Society 6 for the most part, and they're super inexpensive. Posters are my ish, right? Like, I cannot describe to y'all how much I love posters. Big poster girl right here. I bought a lot of posters, probably too many. It's like throw pillows, you can never have too many. I got a lot of posters. Her desk back into the actual room because why is her desk in her hallway? It just like didn't really make a lot of sense to me. I tried to organize her desk so it would be easier to get stuff done, and then I also got a ton of knickknacks and things. I feel like you can never have too many decorative knickknacks. So I decorated her desk with those, and her desk is so cute. I'm starting to get a little nervous just because Jolie told me no pink. But when I originally started doing the room, she said she wanted pink, but then she kept telling me and my mom, like, no pink, and there is a ton of pink in this room. Like, I'm the one decorating it. Like, there is a ton of pink. I don't really know, but like, I'm starting to freak out, so school's school. But you know what? I used plants. I wanted it to look like a garden when she walked. The girl said plants. Her hallway. So as I was decorating Jolie's room, I found these wall decals that actually used to be mine, but I gave them to her, and she, I guess, just never ended up using them. So I decided to use them, and they added so much to the room. I'm so happy. They look so cool. They added so much to the room, so I'm so happy I found those. I also added posters to the room. So at this point, I'm at a standstill because I ran out of nails, so I can't put up any more posters, and the room is not tied together until all the posters get up. I've basically been done with her room for about like an hour. I have like a few more posters that I have to put up, and I don't have any more nails or anything to hang them with. So we've been waiting, but he walked there, I think, so it's just been taking forever. We got the nails! Kalista! What? Y'all wanna hear something? I found out why my brother was taking so long. He's with his girlfriend. Anyways, woo! All right, y'all, now that I have the nails, we can do the final steps to the room. So, let's do this. After a whole day of decorating, we are finally done! I'm so excited to show Jolie. She's like super impatient right now. She keeps asking, but I mean, like, it's literally been all day that I've been working on it, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's so cute, and I really hope she likes it. Ugh, this lighting. I guess we should go grab her and see what she thinks. Ah! I got the final posters up, and now it is time for the big reveal! 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Isn't it so cute?
Yes. Are you sure this is my room?
Yes! It's super teenagery, right?
Are you sure this is my room?
Yeah?
I love how you put the door diary books.
Yeah, because they look cute. I thought they were cute out. Because I was looking at the books you had out already, and I just, like, they didn't go with the theme.
Yeah, they were like
so I, like, searched for them. I searched for your book.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Queen. Give me a hug. Look at that. Ah! Look, the dogs love it. Yeah. Maisie, don't do that! This is a brand new carpet. Y'all, I'm so happy. She loves the room. So here are before and afters of Jolie's room. I am so happy with how it turned out. Jolie loves it. I think it is adorable. If you guys want to see more of the room, Jolie did a room tour on her channel, and that will be linked in the description box. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys like it. Anyways, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what color y'all's room is. And that is basically all. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and bye guys.